Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to customize your controller for a different gaming style, changing the D-pad on the GameSir G7 Pro can help improve comfort and responsiveness. Depending on your preferences, you may want to swap the installed D-pad for another compatible option to better suit fighting games, racing titles, or everyday gameplay. Since the GameSir G7 Pro is designed with customization in mind, replacing the D-pad is usually a quick process that doesn't require complicated tools. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps to change the D-pad on your GameSir G7 Pro safely and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the GameSir G7 Pro before handling the controller. Step 2. Hold off the GameSir G7 Pro firmly on a flat surface. Step 3. Remove the existing D-pad from the GameSir G7 Pro carefully. Step 4. Align the replacement D-pad with the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 5. Press the new D-pad into position on the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 6. Test directional inputs on the GameSir G7 Pro to confirm proper installation.